63 small block Ford. Got done running. Few descriptions, combinations. Got a 4-cylinder heads on it. Pro-Man manifold. Accufab throttle body. Fuel management. Terminator X. Brake system. Wool product block. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Rear sump oil pan. Blacked out March. And I think we're installing this for you, so we'll go out to the car shop and I'll show you how it ran.
Already 4,404 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 448, good flap there, peak horsepower 522, rate of 530, front end's about 15 or so. So everything's good, we'll get her off there, get her out to the car shop, have a great day.